critical attack chain, known as WP2Shell, is being actively exploited against vulnerable WordPress Core installations. The attack chains CVE-2026-63030 and CVE-2026-60137 to achieve unauthenticated remote code execution, allowing attackers to compromise WordPress sites without requiring plugins or user interaction. FortiGuard Labs continues to observe exploitation attempts in the wild, with the highest attack activity targeting Poland, Australia, Japan, the United States, and Turkey. Organizations should immediately update WordPress to a patched version and ensure FortiGuard IPS protections are enabled. Visit FortiGuard Labs for the latest outbreak alerts, threat intelligence, and mitigation guides.